In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable classes on QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to categorize your accounting transactions more efficiently, utilizing the classes feature can significantly simplify your bookkeeping process. Let's walk through the steps together to get this feature up and running. First, we begin by navigating to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen and look for the gear icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with various options related to your account settings. Within this menu, you will want to select Account and Settings. This section is essentially the control center for your QuickBooks Online experience, where you can customize many aspects of how the application functions to suit your specific needs. After opening Account and Settings, you should see various tabs on the left side of the screen. Look for the Advanced T and click on it. The advanced settings are where you can find more in-depth customization options and features that are not enabled by default. In the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the option labeled Track Classes. This feature is not enabled by default, but once turned on, it allows you to assign different classes to your transactions. This means you can classify your transactions in ways that make the most sense for your business, whether that's by department, project, location, or another category that aligns with how you manage your finances. Once you locate the Track Classes option, go ahead and enable it. After enabling, it's important to remember to click on the Save button to ensure your changes are applied. This step is crucial for recording your preferences and making sure the Classes feature is ready to use. Now that Tracking Classes is enabled, you'll probably want to know how to access and manage your classes. So, let's stay in QuickBooks Online and direct your attention back to the gear icon at the top right-hand corner. Click on it once more, and this time, within the options that appear, select All Lists. Upon entering All Lists, you will find various lists that help you organize aspects of your business. What we're interested in today is the Classes option. Selecting Classes brings you to a page where you can view, create, and manage all the classes you use for categorizing your transactions. Here is where you will be able to see the list of all classes you've created and used within your accounting system. Utilizing this tool will give you an overarching view of how your money is allocated and categorized, providing deeper insights into your business operations and financial health. So there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled and accessed the Classes feature in QuickBooks Online, setting you on the path to streamlined financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes a positive impact on how you handle your accounting needs.